Hey folks, what we got here is a 2013 Honda Civic 4-door sedan. You want to know how to take the rear seat assembly out? Because on this one, I have to do the fuel pump. All right, so the bottom and the top has to come out. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go on the other side. All right. By the way, you got to open the trunk because you're going to have to need access to that little handle there that makes the back seat fold. All right. Over here on the passenger side by the two buckles over here, right inside there, you are going to find, sneaking in over there where that little hoop is, that little wire, it's going to be a 10 millimeter bolt. Take that 10 millimeter bolt out and you're on step one. Step two is in the front of the seat on the bottom. It's one on this side and one on the other side. I'm going to show you the clip when I take the seat off. It's a little black slide that you squeeze together and you pull it out towards the front of the car and it releases the latch. So let me see, because it's hard to show it to you underneath. You got to locate it. It's going to be pretty much in the middle of this pattern here. This square pattern is right here in the middle. So go straight down. You might have to lift with one arm. Got to lift the seat up to get in there, to get to this piece, and you're going to pull it. It's cold out here today. It's below 30 degrees. I can't squeeze it to pull it. So I used a pair of Craftsman pliers that I have. I grabbed it and I yanked it out. Once you yank it out, then this piece should lift up. Nope, I locked it. Yeah, it's hard to grab it. It's going to get a pair of pliers and then pull it out. Let's see if we can do that. All right, I got this side off. I'm going to work on the other side for you. Okay, I'm going to lift this up here. There it is right there. See the black pieces there? You're going to squeeze that together, pinch it, and then pull it. All right, and that will release this cushion. I'm going to work on the other one, and I'm going to show it to you with the seat out because there's no way we could film this part of it. All right. All right. A little flashlight, lifting up the cushion. Using hair pliers, we're able to get the seat out. Okay. Once you get it out, just got to get past those seat belts. All right, let me move this off to the side and I'll show you the clip. All right, here's the clip. This is the way it's designed. All right, basically, you're going to grab this black piece and just pull it out. There's no squeezing because see the little latch? The little hook on the seat that goes in there. So basically what you want to do is you want to find this piece. Get a nice pair of pliers. Grab it like this, just pull it. All right, so when you pull it out, the seat pops up. Is it fun to get to? No, it's not. All right, now I'm going to get to this part of the seat, which is the back. All right, there is a screw here to take the bracket off. Right, there's several ways to do it. It all depends on what you guys want to do. All right, this piece here, this here comes off too. All right, comes off with one bolt on the bottom, and then this whole assembly just slides up and pops out. All right, because in order for you to get to that bolt, it goes a little bit on an angle. All right, comes straight down. So I'm going to take this little piece off here. People don't have to. I've seen people just tilt the back seat down and then take some bolts off over there. But I'm going to take the whole assembly off and do it the right way. So little 10 millimeter bolt there, and that's a 12 millimeter bolt there. So let's do this first, and I'll show you. All right, I set you up over there. Let's take the 10 millimeter off. Once the 10mm comes off, put it off to the side. I told you this piece slides up, okay? So just grab it, slide it up, and it'll come out of the hook that's on the top. I'll show you what the hook looks like. That's the hook. All right, so put that off to the side. This hinge comes off right here with a 13mm. Okay, let's do one side at a time. Take the whole hinge off. I think it's better. But that's me. One bolt instead of 4 bolts, right? All right, put that off to the side. The seat should be free on this side. All right, so let's go and do the other side. Let me show you that part of that panel. Reach over. Okay, this is the part right here. All right, so that panel hooks up to that little slot right there, and you pull it down, and then you bolt it. All right, so let's put it on this side. Let's take that bolt off. There you go. And I told you, it slides right up, right? Up and out, twist it out. There's the piece. Up and over. Next one is the 12mm. Give a lot of credit to Honda. Everybody uses 13mm. This is 12. Get good use of that socket. All right. Once that is off, you're going to notice that this hinge actually swings up and out. So the only thing left is to release that trunk latch and push the seat, and the whole thing will come right down and come right out. Because the only thing that's holding it, okay, is the latch up on top. All right, let me show you. Okay, the only thing holding it is this latch up on top. So that's loose. So everything's all loose here. Let's go to the back. Pull this little piece here off. Once you pull that handle, I'm going to need something to push that back because I can't reach. All right, so pull the handle, push the seat. There you go. Once that is out, then the seat is out. All right. I'm doing the fuel pump there, so I'm going to leave the seat belt on. I'm just going to flip it and move the seat over. All right. Other than that, we are done, people. All right. Let me flip the seat over and I'll show you. There you go. All right. Flip the seat up and over. Got the seat belt hanging right there. We can work underneath. And there is the fuel pump located in there. All right, so I'm going to cut this video here just for the seat. Continue with the next video. I'll add the seat removal right into the fuel pump. We're going to take care of the fuel pump. All right, I think we might need a special tool for it too. All right, that's it. Rear seat, Honda Civic. Thanks for watching. Ciao.